Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on YouTube, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about YouTube app, and you can update your app if you will find updates in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.